Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Garry's Mod and Steam are updated, and required source games like Counter-Strike source are mounted. Once done, open Steam library, right-click Garry's Mod, choose Properties, then Local Files to verify integrity. This restores missing base content. Meanwhile, remove any obviously broken add-ons or duplicated workshop content from the add-ons folder. This reduces conflicts and ensures the game will load correct textures instead of placeholders. Now move into targeted recovery steps. Next, you focus on retrieving the actual assets. Subscribe again to the specific workshop maps or texture packs that show the pink and black missing texture. Re-download fixes many corruption cases. Then verify integrity for Garry's Mod and any mounted games to restore core VPKs. If textures still fail, disable custom add-ons by moving them out of the add-ons folder and restart the game. This isolates conflicts. Make sure to relaunch Steam after each change so mounts and VPKs reload properly. To finish, install required content packs or community content add-on collections if servers demand extra resources. This supplies missing textures. Once installed, test in a clean single-player map to confirm success. Testing isolates server-only issues. If textures persist as missing, delete the Garry's Mod/cache folder and rerun Steam, then verify game files again. This forces fresh VPK extraction. One troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, boot Steam in offline mode to see if online workshop conflicts are the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.